So let's just quickly look at how you can inspect 3D data. So we were just working with a workspace where Amar was extruding some buildings from 2D footprints into 3D buildings based on the height of buildings as detected by point clouds. And oh, workbench closed again. That's annoying. And he's seeing that something isn't quite right, and he doesn't know why. So what we'll do here is we'll open up a workspace template and have a look at what he's doing. So I'll go to File Open, and we are looking for interactively view 3D data. And you'll notice there's a FMWT file here. There's also an FMW file, but we want the FMWT file. That's a template file. So what that does is it's a workspace, and you can also provide data with it. And you can create those by going to File, Save as Template. It's a great way to share data with your colleagues because as you can see, this one actually includes feature caches. So I can click one of these and then control click the other, the extruder and the LAS cache, to inspect the starting point and ending point of his data at one time. Yeah, you should be seeing my workbench, although Strico's been a bit buggy at the moment. Does everyone see FME Workbench? Yeah, okay. So yeah, Zahid, maybe just try refreshing if you don't see that. Thank you. So here's the data, and we can have a look at it. And we can use these tools similar to what we were just using in the rest of Visual Preview to try to figure out what's going on. So you can zoom in and out using your middle mouse wheel. The new one that's important really is the orbit button, which orbits around the origin. So I can click and drag to get more of a sort of 3/4 view here. And you can use pan as well to basically move your view, what you're looking at. And we can use the zoom in to kind of fly forward. So we can use that to navigate in 3D and have a look at his data set and try to figure out what might be going wrong. And so pretty much just using those basic tools, the thing you can probably start to see is that definitely there's an issue. You can see the point cloud points are often higher than the building heights. And if you look at them a lot, the thing you'll probably notice is it looks like they've probably actually extruded to the average height of the points in that area rather than the maximum height, which is what it should really be extruding to. So if you inspect that, you can kind of get a sense and see there's a mismatch there. And you can begin to form a hypothesis as to why that might be happening. And that's basically the point of these inspection tools. It's not to create a final visualization, but it's to help you figure out what's going on so you can better build your workspace.